السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم؟ مساكم طيبين إن شاء الله بخير. اليوم بتكلم عن X-rays of spine, cervical spine. So the first thing that you want to check when you do a lateral X-ray or AP X-ray of the cervical spine is to check the adequacy of the cervical spine. Adequate cervical spine has to show in a craniocervical junction, from the craniocervical junction until T1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, T1. After you check the adequacy of the cervical spine, you can check the alignment. So there are three lines that you check for the alignment. The first line is the anterior line. You can see the anterior line, all these vertebral body are aligned. Then the posterior line, which you can check all the posterior body as well, it's aligned. Then you can check the spinous processes and you can see it's aligned as well. Once you check the alignment, you can check for any fracture for the bone. So check each vertebral bone should be a cube, and the cube is complete. There's no fracture, no decrease in the height. So you can check every single vertebral body, checking for fractures in the vertebral body. Then after that, you can check the facet joint if you find a malalignment. So the facet joint, which is this line here, the dark line here, this is the facet joint. So facet, and you can check the facet joint between each vertebra. Once you check that, you can check the soft tissue around it. So in front of C3 or 5, you have to see a space in the soft tissue, and there's another space in front of C7, and there's measurement for how much soft tissue should be there. As you can see here in front of C3, it should be less than 5 millimeters, so 4.8 millimeters is okay. In front of C7, it should be less than 10 millimeters or 11 millimeters, depends on where you're reading, and here's 8.9, which is normal. So this is a very nice slide showing you that the perivertebral soft tissue in front of C2 or C3 less than 7 millimeters, and in front of C6 or C7 less than 22 millimeters. And then you can see the lines that I talked to you about, the anterior and the posterior lines, and the interlaminar line, then the spinous process line, and that's it for lateral C-spine X-ray. You have to remember there is another view that you should do, which is an AP view, and you have to do the open mouth to check the dents and the C1, C2 relation as well. So 3 views or 4 views for adequate C-spine, lateral, AP, open mouth view. وبس، شكرا جزيلا لكم واستمتعوا بالويكند.